In this video, you learn how to remove Qwant search from Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So to remove Qwant as a search engine on Google Chrome, you have to go to the top right and click on the three little dots. Then go to the settings. And once you're in here, you have to go to the left and click on search engine. Then here it'll say that Qwant right now is your default search engine inside of Google Chrome. So you can click on change, and you probably want to change it to Google or another search engine you prefer. You can click on set as default. Then what you actually can do is click on manage search engines and site search. And right here you'll see Qwant as well, and you can click on the three little dots next to the name Qwant. Click on delete, and it will ask you again if you are sure you want to delete the search engine. You can click on delete again. And right now you've removed Qwant search completely from Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.